If you're over 50 and noticing tingling hands, weak legs, or just feeling less stable than you used to, this might surprise you.
Know you've been a good friend.
Many of these symptoms are linked to one surprising culprit: declining collagen. Yes, collagen, the same protein people talk about for skin, also plays a huge role in your joints, nerves, and muscle strength. And today, we're going to show you how to fight back using food. These aren't expensive supplements, they're simple everyday snacks rich in the nutrients your body needs to rebuild collagen, especially after age 50. Let's dive into the 10 collagen-supporting snacks that can help you move better, feel stronger, and protect your nerves naturally. Number 1. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are more than a breakfast food. They're a collagen powerhouse, especially the whites. The whites are rich in proline and glycine, two amino acids your body uses to produce collagen naturally. Plus, eggs contain biotin and vitamin B12, which support nerve health. Hard-boiled eggs are easy to prep, high in protein, and portable. Snack on one mid-morning or post-walk to support muscle and nerve recovery. Okay, so next up is Greek yogurt plus berries. Greek yogurt contains protein and amino acids needed for collagen production, while berries bring in antioxidants like vitamin C, which is, crucial for collagen synthesis. Together, they're a perfect snack combo. I'd suggest trying plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt with a handful of blueberries or strawberries. This snack supports your joints, nourishes your skin, and keeps your digestion running smoothly, which honestly is especially important as gut health tends to decline with age. Moving on, let's talk about bone broth protein bites. Bone broth is, without a doubt, one of the richest sources of natural collagen, particularly type 1 and type 3, which are important for skin and connective tissue. Now, if sipping broth doesn't really appeal to you as a snack, you can try mixing bone broth protein powder with nut butter and oats to make no-bake energy bites. These can help reduce joint stiffness and, feed your body the raw material it needs to maintain strong tendons and ligaments. And finally, pumpkin seeds. Tiny but mighty, pumpkin seeds are full of zinc, a mineral your body uses to activate collagen production. Zinc also helps protect nerve cells and supports immune health. Just add a handful to a trail mix or sprinkle them on a small fruit salad. Their crunch adds a nice texture, and their nutrients support both collagen and nerve strength. Tuna salad on whole grain crackers. Canned tuna is packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and selenium. These nutrients are fantastic for reducing inflammation and supporting collagen production. You can serve the tuna on whole grain crackers with a drizzle of olive oil or a slice of avocado. It makes for a filling, nerve-supportive snack. Plus, those omega-3 fatty acids, they improve nerve conductivity, which might help reduce tingling or burning sensations in your hands and feet. Next up, we've got cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is a great source of casein protein, which digests slowly, providing your body with a sustained supply of amino acids. This is super helpful for collagen synthesis and muscle maintenance. Pineapple, on the flip side, contains bromelain, an enzyme that may help reduce inflammation in joints and tissues. Together, they create a powerful, balanced snack. It's perfect for those experiencing muscle weakness or stiffness. Finally, we have chia pudding with almond milk. Chia seeds are a treasure trove of omega-3s, protein, and antioxidants. When you soak them in almond milk and let them sit in the fridge overnight, they transform into a creamy pudding that's both satisfying and healing. The omega-3s support nerve health, while the antioxidants work to reduce oxidative stress, which can break down collagen over time. If you're looking for a sweet evening snack that also supports your body, this one's a winner. Apple slices with nut butter. Now that's a classic snack. An apple a day really can help keep the doctor away, especially when you pair it with a healthy fat like almond or peanut butter. Apples are packed with quercetin, which is a plant compound that helps reduce inflammation and protects your connective tissue. And, the healthy fat from nut butter gives you vitamin E and supports the absorption of those fat-soluble nutrients that are so important for collagen formation. Plus, it's one of the most blood sugar-friendly snacks out there, helping to keep your energy nice and steady. Whey protein is quickly absorbed and offers all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain muscle, which is, really crucial as you age. Add a scoop of unflavored collagen peptides to your shake, along with a few frozen berries and unsweetened almond milk. This is a muscle-supporting, collagen-boosting snack that takes less than 60 seconds to prepare, perfect post-walk or between meals. Yes, chocolate. But not the sugary kind. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa, which contains polyphenols that protect skin and support circulation. Pair it with 1 or 2 Brazil nuts, rich in selenium, to support your body's natural antioxidant defenses and reduce inflammation. This combo satisfies your sweet tooth, while also delivering minerals and antioxidants that protect collagen integrity. Snacks are powerful, but hydration also plays a huge role in collagen health. Dehydrated tissues are more prone to breakdown. Collagen needs a fluid-rich environment to function well. Make sure you're drinking enough water, and try adding collagen-friendly ingredients like lemon, mint, or cucumber to make it more enjoyable. When it comes to collagen, food is medicine, especially after age 50. You don't need expensive powders or pills, just smart, intentional snacks that give your body what it's asking for. If you're feeling weaker, stiffer, or experiencing odd sensations in your hands or legs, these could be signs of declining collagen or poor nerve health. By building in just a few of these collagen-rich snacks each day, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to repair, strengthen, and thrive. Small choices really do add up.